In this video, I will explain the week 8 Excel training data and help you guys to understand how to the Excel data from this one to become like this one. So let's begin by downloading the week 8 Excel training data file. It's in the CSV format, which is commonly used for data storage and sharing. So the thing we should do is click the Save As and to change the file format as the Excel workbook, which is .xlsx. Okay, now we will get this one, and after adjust the column weights, we will do a analysis using a pivot table. So the first thing we should insert the pivot table, and we should drag the warranty years in both the row and the value. We can check that. Okay, so we drag the volunteer years into both the row label and the value area. And in the values area, make sure it says count of warranty years, not the sum. So it should be count. Next, we will create a pivot chart. Go to the pivot table analysis tab and click the pivot chart, which is pivot chart. Where is my pivot chart? Which is this one. And choose a bar chart to display the number of warranty by length, which is exactly like this. And now let's add a slicer, which is here, also in the pivot table analysis, and insert the slicer and choose the department. So this is show like this, and this will help us to filter the chart by the department. For example, when I click the 2, it will show just the 2 data, and 5 exactly the same. And after if we do not want to if we want to see all the data, we just click the clear filter. Okay, so now let's leave a note for the Frankie in the cell L1. Okay, so we should input the NCC guide to warranties and refunds, and we should leave a right click and add a hyperlink to exactly like this one. And finally, right click the L1 and choose the new comment. Leave a message for Frankie and to review the SCC guideline to ensure the modern living warranties are compliant, which exactly show as the purple triangle like this. Okay, so that's the end of our week 8 Excel task. We've converted the data, performed a analysis with the pivot table, visualized the result, and added interactivity and flagged a useful resource for our colleague. So thanks for your watching.